This production line is for producing toilet soap, laundry soap, and hotel soap. The capacity is 500 kilograms per hour. Soap noodles, additives, fragrance, and pigment are fully mixed evenly by the soap mixer. Uniform mixing ensures stable color, texture, and hardness of the soap base. After mixing, the materials are delivered to the soap refiner. This process further breaks down particles and makes the soap material fine, smooth, and compact, preparing for high-quality final products. Then we have the core equipment, the 3-roller mill. It finely grinds the soap base repeatedly to remove coarse particles. Soap processed by 3-roller mill is delicate, glossy, foam-rich, and without grit, which greatly improves the grade of finished soap. Next, the refined soap material goes into the vacuum plodder. It extrudes uniform and dense soap strips stably. The soap strip is firm, not easy to break, and effectively reduces waste materials. After plodding, the automatic soap cutter cuts the soap strip into standard soap blocks with precise size and smooth cutting surface. The specification is uniform and fully meets commercial market standards. The last stage, the soap blocks pass through the integrated stamping machine. It finishes logo embossing, pattern printing, and final shaping in one process. The finished soap looks neat, beautiful, and high-end, and supports customized brand patterns. This complete soap production line features compact structure, easy operation, and low failure rate. Only a few workers are needed for the whole production. The hourly capacity of 500 to 800 kilograms is very suitable for new factory investment and old factory capacity expansion. If you want to start soap manufacturing business or upgrade your production equipment, this high-efficiency soap making line is a stable and profitable option for you. Welcome to contact us for more details and factory quotation.